First, you must unplug the power and the USB cable. Then, use your 11/32 socket to remove the nut that secures the ground strap. There are 2 nuts and 2 bolts that secure the button deck to the cabinet. Their locations are indicated by these 4 arrows. You will need to move wires out of your way to remove them. Use your 3/8 socket to remove the 2 bolts and 2 nuts. Once the nuts and bolts are removed, the button deck slides away easily. Pay attention that cables don't get pinched while removing the deck. To reinstall the deck, just reverse the steps. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.